everybody, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home. I'm here today to make a quick side dish, or it could be a main meal, just baked potatoes in the air fryer. You could do a baked potato bar and have a bunch of toppings for your friends or family, and some of them, if they're smaller potatoes, they could be a great side dish. But what I have here is I have potatoes that I've washed, like actually scrubbed down really good, and then I just poked them like a couple times on either side with a sharp knife, or you could use a fork. So they're pretty much ready to go. And what I'm gonna do here is I preheated my air fryer. I have a preheat button setting, and so it's fairly warm, ready to go. And I'm gonna coat these in olive oil. Maybe a little more. I'm not really gonna use measurements here today, and I'm armed. Tongs, spoon. I've got some parsley and garlic powder. I'm gonna throw some garlic powder, sprinkle it, and then toss them around. I might need more olive oil to taste, but we're gonna make these skins taste really good, and they will become super crispy in the air fryer, and the inside will be soft and tender and delicious. All right, little parsley flakes. Let me put this out of the way. And some sea salt. When you go out to a restaurant, they always have the skin salted. You can serve these when they're done with sour cream or butter, or you could make twice baked potatoes with them. Oh my gosh, they're so good. All right, so I'm just gonna toss these around with my tongs and spoon here. I'm trying not to, I guess I could just use my hands. It probably is easier. My hands are clean. I'm gonna throw a little more olive oil in here and just make sure that they're coated well. My hands are clean. I did just wash them. All right, so we're just gonna coat these in the salt and the parsley and the garlic powder. Olive oil. Watch you don't get it on yourself. Step back. Okay. All right, these are ready to rock. Let me move my olive oil over here. My Hobbit kitchen. Okay, this has been preheated, and again, see, this looks like it needs a little bit more. Let me just rub that in the bottom there. This one looks seasoned well. I'm just going to throw these in and bake them at 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Until they're fork tender. See all that goodie in there? Oh, yum. Okay. Try to spread them out a little bit because you don't want a nice crispy skin here. And the bigger one is obviously going to take a little longer than the smaller one. But so we're going to put it on here, 400, and then we're going to put the time here. We're going to go 35. Check it at 30. Oh, I guess the limit's 30 minutes. So. We're going to do 30 minutes and then add more time as needed. I will let you know what they look like done. I'm excited. All right. See you soon. Okay, so the potatoes have been going for about 32 minutes or so, and then I thought I better get out the little ones, and the little ones are definitely done. They're very crispy. And the larger one, whoops, see, that's how fork tender they are. They're falling off the fork. These are almost there. This one might be done. I'll go a little longer on that one. But the skin is really crispy, if you can hear it. What? I can hear my son in the background talking to Alexa and saying, "Play Batman." Okay, so I'm going to put the other ones in a little bit longer. And I will update you on how long they took. Okay, these I just want to cut. They're really hot because they're just out of the air fryer. I'm just going to cut these open and put a little bit of, the plate is sliding all over the place here. You can see that seasoning on the outside. Hands, you can kind of push up. Ooh, smoking. Hot. Don't burn yourself like I am. We're gonna add some butter. And then you could add sour cream, chives, whatever you have. I happen to have some soft butter here. I'm just going to add some to the top. Whoa. And you won't have to put a ton of seasoning because these are like little tiny ones. These are great for kids, the little ones, so that they would get a ton of potato that they won't eat, just they get a little bit. This one I'm going to just chuck the butter in. Yum! Great side dish, great for potato night. There you go. The larger potatoes only took a couple more minutes in the air fryer. These crispy skinned baked potatoes were a big hit in our house. The kids really seemed to enjoy them and came back for seconds. I think they really liked the seasoned skins of the potatoes. I hope you enjoyed watching today. Please hit that subscribe button for notifications on future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.